Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your broker to the TradingView mobile app so you can trade directly from your charts. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, open the Chart tab in the mobile app. Then tap the three-dot menu to open the More section and select Connect Broker. From here, choose your broker from the list and log in with your credentials. Once connected, you'll be able to place buy and sell orders directly from the TradingView charts on your phone, which makes trading faster and more convenient. If you ever want to log out of your broker account in the mobile app, it's just as easy. Tap the broker icon on the chart to open the account manager, then open the trading menu in the top right corner of the panel and select Log Out. This disconnects your broker account safely while keeping your TradingView settings intact. And that's it. Now you can connect or disconnect your broker on TradingView Mobile quickly and safely. If this helps you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want me to show more TradingView Mobile trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.